Hey, what's up guys, it's me Tato, back again with the recipes that make you wanna cook. On today's video we are making this gorgeous and glossy beetroot salad. Stay tuned. Let's get started guys, and as usual I will leave all the ingredients in the description box down below. And we're gonna get started by cooking our beetroot. I'm just gonna place them in a pot, put in some hot water or warm water to cover, and then we're gonna boil these until they are cooked through to your liking. That takes about 45 minutes, an hour. I don't know, but I did use high heat. Okay, and then once your beetroot are up cooking and almost done, you want to go ahead and chop up some onion very thinly, and in a little bit of oil you're going to fry your onion. Now we're not looking to cook this onion, we just want it a little bit, just a tiny bit soft, because we also don't want it crispy and too potent on the salad. We're gonna go ahead and add our chutney, honey. Now what is beetroot? What is beetroot without chutney? And also, what is beetroot without vinegar? Okay, so in this beetroot salad, you're basically taking the old with the new. Because I grew up, every Sunday my grandmother made beetroot and she would add vinegar and sugar every Sunday. Okay, so for the longest time I hated beetroot until I learned that you can have beetroot with chutney. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit, just a tiny bit of vinegar, about half a tablespoon or a tablespoon or so, into your chutney. And honey, the old meets the new, the flavor, come on now, you know what it is. So you're just gonna let it come up to a gentle simmer like this, then go ahead and switch off your stove. Everything is ready. Set your chutney or dressing aside. Our beetroot are cooked. You're going to dust them up or grate them or prepare them however that you wish to prepare them. I just like my beetroot diced. Okay, I like it diced. I don't like it grated, because growing up, that's all I remember how beetroot was, grated and soaked in vinegar and sugar. Okay, so I like mine chunky and I dice it. So you're going to pour the beetroot into that chutney mixture, honey, and you're going to cover it. You're gonna see it's going to be so glossy. The gloss, the juice, the taste, it's sweet, it's a little bit sour. Oh honey, it's the perfect dressing for your beetroot. If you want to add a little bit more texture, you can go ahead and dice up some green apples and add them in there as well. They could give it nice crunch, nice depth of flavor in terms of acidity as well from the apples. Honey, it's beautiful. And just like that, you're done. I hope you try the recipe guys, and I hope you enjoy with your family. And Merry Christmas. I hope you have a great one, and I hope to see this dish on the table, honey. Okay, bye.